What's up, guys? Literally right back at it the next day after I posted that last video. This is what we got done yesterday before work and this morning after work. Everything in the engine bay, we basically power washed the bottom of it, drove it around a while, came back, drove it, next day drove it, came back, and we're looking for all the leaks on it. And really the only thing that was leaking was this valve cover gasket, like really bad. I mean, it was just dumping out the front of this. So good news is that was the only oil leak, because those are kind of a pain, but not really that big of a deal at all. So took that off, ended up really cleaning it up really good, deep cleaning it, and then I painted it that color. I really like that color, especially with the blue. But did that, and then went ahead and masked off all the lettering and painted that too, so it really made it like stand out. But that was just a heat can, not a heat can, heat paint from AutoZone, and a little bit of time and a little bit of scrubbing. But we got that done, and then this is what the whole car looked like. It was pretty bad. That's just a comparison to where I've got it to and where it was. That was about the whole entire inside of the car looked like that not even a month ago. So definitely a big change. Now you can kind of put into perspective of how disgusting this car was when I got it and how nice it ended up. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean all that nasty ass junk up right there. And the reason I'm taking out the seats, like I said in my last video, I'm getting brand new ones, and they match the steering wheel, so it's gonna look good. I figured before the seats come in, I'll just get it all cleaned up and ready to go, so literally I can just throw my new seats in and drive away. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up, and I might get back to you guys today. I'm just not sure yet. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning. I really don't want to, but there's like maybe about $2-3 and change that I'm not gonna use because it looks like it has hepatitis. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, it's the next day, Sunday, I'm off. So a big piece came in today, the roll bar. It's a little bit more beat up than I thought it was. Well, would be, but it's all right. I'll clean it up and paint it. But it's in. We are gonna go ahead and start taking the other seat out, like where we left off on this side, just taking it out, cleaning it up. And then I'm gonna start unbolting all this stuff over here. All these little side trimming pieces. I'll start taking out the carpet, so I'm gonna pay my mom to shampoo it. So get the carpet out, get the pieces out on each side, and then start to mount that up. I don't know how to do this, and I know there's a bunch of videos on YouTube on how to do it, but I mean, it's pretty straightforward. A couple mounting points, and you know, bada boom, bada bang. So I'm gonna get this seat out, get this little roll bar out that's already in here, and start taking these side trim pieces out, and I will get back to you guys when I've made a little bit of progress. Okay, the progress we've made so far. Got the front seat out. Like I said, this whole entire car looked like that. And that's me picking up the big stuff with my hands. So almost like another reminder in a way of how disgusting this was not even a month ago. But we got everything taken out of the back, and it wasn't just hacked out, it was taken out piece by piece. Not trying to destroy this thing at all, I'm trying to put it all back together nicely. That's how nasty the carpet is. I mean, it's pretty dirty. But this carpet piece and the big bay one, it's also pretty dirty, but not a lot of water damage like these usually have. But this and the other one, I'm gonna take it upstairs. My mom lives right next to me. Pretty convenient, I know. But she shampoos stuff, and I'm going to pay her to shampoo these. So these will not look like this last time you'll see these. And where we're at right now at the roll bar is literally putting it in there and seeing how it's gonna mount up with the soft top and everything. So this is where I'm at, and I will get back to you guys once I figure out in a way how this is mounted up, because I found where those mounting holes are, that one is. I do not know where these are, and I do not know where those go. So I got a lot to figure out, but I'll get back to you guys in a minute. All right, so I told you guys I was gonna get right back to you, but I lied, like always. What's new? But it's the next day. I got a lot of stuff done last night. I let my mom shampoo these. They turned out really good. The bottom of the floor is basically cleaned and done for the most part. Yeah, there's little stuff from working, but it's pretty clean. And now for what I've been kind of busting my ass on all night. The roll bar, it's half in. I had to modify quite a bit of spots to make it fit right. Like I have all my ECU boxes and stuff right here. That wasn't gonna clear any of that stuff, and I didn't want to move any of it. So chop that up. There's a support bar that comes from here down around the center console. It's supposed to go all the way to the floor, but I really think that this kit is for a different year, but I'm just kind of making it work. I got the seat belts all hooked up. Yeah, the seat belt's frayed. I do have new seat belts upstairs. I'll show you guys before the end of this video. I won't be installing them, but I'll show you. But yeah, I want this whole roll bar in here, but I don't want to just thrown in. I want all my pieces put back in, because I plan on putting speakers like right here on both sides. But I'm going to go ahead and cut around this little, it's basically like a sound deadening thing for the back of your trunk, and I don't want to lose that. So I'm gonna cut little squares out right here and right here, so that I can still put this piece up in and mount it, and then so that I can put one speaker right here and one speaker right here, since I lost my headrest seats. Well, the headrests that have speakers in them. So yeah, I'm gonna get to cutting this, getting that put back in, and then once this gets put back in, all the carpet can go back in and can be trimmed around the roll bar, and then we will literally be waiting on the seats, and then I'll take that piece back out after everything's put back in the car, and then I'll install the speakers in it. So I got some stuff to do, and I kind of got to hustle because I got work in 2 hours. So hopefully I'll get back to you guys before I go to work. All right, I'm over here. Just finalized the cut on the roll bar. That's done. Gonna hit it with a little bit of heat paint on the bottom, and then boom, that's done. Kind of out of breath because I just ran to the FedEx guy, but we're about to get this cut out, and then the FedEx guy dropped us off a package. The new seats are in, so I will be putting them in this video, I'm pretty sure, but I got to get all this done, get that put back together in there, and then we can open the new hotness. All right, I'm gonna have to stop it right here just because I got work in like 30 minutes and I've been up all night, and yeah. So the back carpet is put back in. The roll bar is 100% mounted and in place. I had to cut what I'm gonna call the core support of the roll bar, because I'm pretty sure this is for an NB Miata and not an NA Miata, but I was able to make it work by a couple cuts. So that's all done and finalized. The carpet's in and shampooed. The seat belts are in, but those seat belts right there are not staying. I got harnesses upstairs. So I'm just throw that, call it like a deck lid carpet, I'm not sure. But we're gonna trim that up, put that in the back, and then that'll basically finish out the rest of the interior in a way. And then we got a short throw shifter coming in the mail with a new knob, and then a new rubber boot underneath. I'm gonna call it a weather boot because it keeps everything out from underneath the car. Got that coming in. So we're gonna go upstairs, show you guys the seats and the harnesses. I can't wait to see them. Oh my God, I've been waiting almost 2 weeks for these. So hopefully they are as good as people say they are. But I'll see you guys upstairs. Okay, I just came upstairs, unboxed them. These mounts, where the seats are supposed to mount to, and then to the floor, they look different. So I don't know if they're supposed to be different or not, but that doesn't look too good. But they're adjustable so that anyone can drive it. It's not just a chopped together thing. These are the harnesses that are going to be in it. I bought these about a couple months ago for my S10 V8 swap truck, but I went a different route with that and had these laying around, so it's going to go good with the seats. And the seats are suede and they're really nice. I'm not going to uncover them all because I got a hairy ass dog. So, but yeah, they're really nice. Harnesses are going to look good on them. But this is what's to come in the next Miata video, so stay tuned, you guys. I gotta go to work. It's gonna be killing me that all this is sitting at my house and I'm gonna be fucking working, but whatever, it's life. But I mean, they look good. I know the lighting isn't good in here, but it's gonna look baller in there, especially with the roll bar and the harnesses and everything like that. So Miata's coming together pretty quick. Stay tuned for the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.